Welcome to the video on addressing Amazon's multiple accounts policy violations. This video covers the following topics. 1. What can you do to address violations? 2. Best practices to remain compliant. The content in this video applies to all stores. Let us first understand how you can respond to a violation notice. If you receive a notification that a related account has been deactivated, this means that one of your existing accounts violated Amazon's policies. In order to reactivate your related account, you must first address the violation in the underlying account that was responsible for the policy violations by submitting an appeal for each violation. You can appeal by signing into the account that was responsible for the policy violations. You must appeal in each regional Amazon store in which the account has been deactivated for the policy violation. You can submit your appeal by accessing your Account Health dashboard or performance notifications and clicking on the Submit Appeal button. If your appeal for the underlying account that was responsible for the policy violations is accepted and the account is successfully reactivated, you can then appeal your related account. When submitting the appeal, you will need to provide us with the storefront name of the original account that was reactivated and the date of reactivation. Use case number 1. You own two selling accounts, Seller Storefront 1 and Seller Storefront 2. Seller Storefront 1 receives a deactivation notice for directing customers to an external site, circumventing the sales process. You then receive a deactivation notice on Seller Storefront 2 since it is related to Seller Storefront 1. You should log into your Seller Storefront 1 account and appeal the violation. If your appeal is accepted and the Seller Storefront 1 account is successfully reactivated, then log into your Seller Storefront 2 account and appeal through the Account Health dashboard or Seller Performance notifications by providing the storefront name of the original account that was reactivated and the date of reactivation. If you believe the related account deactivation happened in error, or you have never owned or operated another account, please submit an appeal through the Account Health dashboard or Seller Performance notifications and confirm that the account is not related to yours. If we do not receive evidence confirming the account is not related to you, the account will not be reinstated. If you previously co-owned or co-operated the underlying account with a former business partner, you would need to provide supporting documentation, such as a contract showing separation of the business relationship as part of the appeal. Please note that it's against policy to buy, sell, or transfer your account to or from another seller. Let us learn about the best practices to remain compliant. Sellers who have a legitimate business reason for operating more than one account and maintain all accounts in good standing will not be at risk for a multiple accounts deactivation. Please make sure you only create additional accounts if there is a valid business reason. Examples of valid business reasons include owning separate brands with different storefront names or selling products manufactured by different companies. When you receive notices or see alerts on your Account Health dashboard or performance notifications from Amazon that indicate you are violating Amazon's selling policies, please correct the behavior and submit an appeal if applicable as soon as possible. Opening a new account instead of addressing the underlying violations within your existing accounts is a violation of Amazon's policies and will only trigger an automatic deactivation on your related accounts. All sellers are responsible for understanding and adhering to the terms and conditions set out by Amazon's Business Solutions Agreement, which is part of the registration process and includes the selling policies and seller code of conduct. All sellers are expected to maintain and keep secure their own account information and credentials. In the primary account information, sellers should not list information of any third-party services they may be using to help manage the account. However, if you have engaged a valid third-party service, we recommend listing them as a secondary user in the approved app user's user permissions. We hope this video on our multiple accounts policy was helpful. Thank you and happy selling on Amazon.